Very warm welcome. In today's video we will be learning that how to find out the transfer function of second order RL circuit. In the given circuit, Vi is our input voltage, it is our input voltage source, R1 is the resistor 1, L1 is the inductor 1, R2 is the resistor 2, and L2 is our second inductor, whereas VO is the output voltage. As we can see over here that R2 and L2 both are in series with each other, and after adding R2 and L2, whatever the result which we will get, that will be in parallel with the inductor L1. After that, by solving the inductor L1 and the value which we will get after adding R2 and L2, then we will find out the node voltage, and that node voltage will be divided among the resistor R2 and the inductor L2. We are getting our output voltage at L2. Okay, in order to find out the transfer function of our RL circuit, second order RL circuit, we will let R1 is equals to Z1, SL1 is equals to Z2, R2 is equals to Z3, and SL2 is equals to Z4. As we can see over here, I have already drawn the schematic of voltage, input voltage source Z1, Z2, Z3 and Z4. Now what we will do, in order to find out the transfer function of the second order RL circuit, we will simply switch the values in the above mentioned equation. The above mentioned equation is V out, which is our output voltage, is equals to, the numerator is Z4 multiplied by Z2 multiplied by Vi, and our denominator is Z1 multiplying with Z2 plus Z3 plus Z4 plus Z2 multiplying with Z3 plus Z2 multiplying with Z4. Now we will put the values in the above mentioned equation in order to find out our transfer function of the second order RL circuit. Now if you want to know that how we will find out the above mentioned equation, for this you have to watch my previous video of transfer function of RC, second order RC circuit. In that video I have briefly explained each and every step that how we are going to find out the equation of the transfer function. Now by putting Z1 is equals to R1, Z2 is equals to SL1, Z3 is equals to R2 and Z4 is equals to SL2, in the above mentioned equation we will be able to get our required transfer function. V out is equals to, my numerator is SL2 multiplying with SL1 multiplying with Vi, which is the input voltage, upon R1 multiplying with SL1 plus R2 plus SL2. plus SL1 multiplying with R2 plus SL1 multiplying with SL2. We will get V out is equals to, numerator will become S multiplying with S, we will get S square L2 L1 multiplying with Vi upon R1 SL1 plus R1 R2 plus R1 SL2 plus SL1 R2 plus S square L1 L2. Therefore, the required transfer function will be V out upon V1 is equals to, our numerator will become S square L1 into L2 upon S square multiplying with L1 L2 plus S multiplying with R1 L1 plus R1 L2 plus L1 R2 plus R1 R2. R1 plus R2 will be our constant value, and the other two terms will have the variable S. So this is how we are going to this is how we will find out the transfer function of RL circuit. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any comments or suggestions, then you can give it to me in the comment box, and I will be grateful to you if you will like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you.